As the holiday trading week comes to a close right behind me here at the New York Stock Exchange, the first full week of the year 2025 around the corner, and we here at the New York Stock Exchange are ready to move past the holiday season and move ahead with the year ahead. We've had ourselves quite the interesting series of sessions, a little bit of gains, a little bit of downside, limited trading due to the holidays, but what we do know is that the week ahead is a full trading session. No more interruptions, no more midweek interruptions for the holidays. You know what? Will we see the markets continue with seesaw trade, or will we see the markets move certainly in either direction, up or down? You know what? Let's take a look right now to see the markets are shaping up to kick off the first full trading session of the year 2025 right here on Wall Street. Monday kicks off in Germany with the German preliminary December consumer price index due out. Expectations 0.4% month over month and year over year, that of which will then be followed by 3-month and 6-month bill auctions out of the United States. Tuesday sees us back in Europe with the EU preliminary core consumer prices report due out. Expectations call for a read of 2.7% year over year for December, while in the U.S., December ISM Services PMI due out. Expectations 53.5. Wednesday kicks off in Germany with the German November factory orders due out. Expectations for that read 0.4% month over month. Then for the EU, European December consumer confidence, that awaits. That's also expected to come in at a read of negative 14.5. While in the United States, private payrolls, that's due at the beginning of the month. ADP employment change results are on the docket. Expectations 143,000, that of which will be followed by the FOMC minutes in the afternoon hours. And then on Thursday, we return to the European Union with November retail sales numbers due out for the month of November. Expectations 0.5% month over month, while in the U.S., both weekly jobless claims figures are due out, both initial and continuing. And that paves the way for Friday's big report out of the United States, the monthly employment report, December non-farm payrolls, and the U.S. unemployment rate. First up, December non-farm payrolls. Expectations calling for a read of 150,000, while the U.S. unemployment rate, that's penciled to remain unchanged, 4.2%. And keep in mind, focus needs to remain on retailers and their holiday sales reports, as those are traditional market movers. And don't forget about geopolitics, as U.S. President-elect Donald Trump set to return to the White House in just over 2 weeks. Who knows what other updates we have in store for us prior to January 20th. And until next week, live from the New York Stock Exchange, I'm James Sweeney reporting for ICM.